This tree. This tree in front of me has seen all of it. For 6 long years, he has been staring at me like this, observing me closely. In this lockdown, I have made this new habit of sipping my evening tea in front of this tree. I look at him, the way soft sunlight falls on his leaves, the way they dance to the wind. It's addictive. I feel this tree is way happier than I am, and sometimes he glows even brighter just to make me a little more jealous. But it's alright, because this tree has seen it all. He has observed me being in love for the first time. I have spent many nights crying in front of him. I've come of age, and this tree surely knows it. We were close, you see. But things change as I change with time, and now it looks like I haven't seen him in a long, long time. And then one day, it all changed. We were having our evening tea when that terrible, terrible news broke. We saw her for the last time via cell phone screen, gone somewhere far away forever. The shock triggered a trauma that only this tree has witnessed. The cries of my ma, all the helplessness. You see, this tree has truly seen it all. But today, after many, many days, this tree shines again. Its glow is different than I have ever seen, and I don't think he is doing that to make me jealous anymore. Because his shine sings a different song today, of hope and calm, of peace and love. This too shall pass. This too shall pass. The words were loud and clear. The tree used to hear me all the time, but that day, just like that, I too heard him for the first time.
Such a commitment for being